When did you start at WorkTexas?
I want to say it was February.
Yeah.
It was like right after
you got out.
It was a couple weeks after I got out, and no more than 2 weeks after I started working here. So that was really cool. Yeah.
And what class did you take with us?
Welding.
Welding.
Yes, sir. They had welding 1 and 2, and I just took the first one, and I got a job before I even finished the class. So
Wow. How much were you charged to take welding at WorkTexas?
nothing.
Oh, it was free. Sounds like a commercial. Free. So all y'all out there want to become welders, plumbers, electricians, construction workers, auto mechanics, all sorts of great jobs. We train lots of people every day at WorkTexas. Is that right, Mike?
That's right, providing the opportunities.
So fast forward, how long were you in school at WorkTexas?
3 months.
3 months?
3 months, yes, sir.
And you got a job as a welder?
Yes, sir.
How was that?
Well, I say a welder. I welded here and there, but they hired me as basically a metal worker. So they have all the welders, and then they have all the machines that manipulate metal aside from welding. And so he was training me on all the different machines, like the hydraulic press, saws, things like that. But he would put me on welding assignments here and there to really be able to start to train my skills better.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
So how has work changed your life?
Work has provided me a consistent opportunity to make good decisions. Bonding, accountability. So I'm attached to this job, so I need to show up. I have a pool to show up more often and make good decisions and practice making those better decisions every day.
What would you say to somebody thinking about getting involved with WorkTexas?
If you're thinking about it, stop thinking and just do it. Because I didn't even know what school debt was until later down the road, and then I heard how much it costs and how long it stays. It's not worth it. There's too many jobs with trades that need workers, and it's not hard. Just takes practice.
Great paying jobs with trades that needs workers, and we're going to train you at WorkTexas for free, and you'll end up with a much better life like Caden here, right, Mike?
That's right, that's the goal.
Congrats, Caden.
Thank you so much,
Thanks,
sir.
Kane. We're proud of
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.